day, first 2019. We're starting a new phase of the Boynton Beach Police Department's history. This building will be here for years and decades to come to welcome new members of our community to a new police department. Everyone in the department's excited about it. It's long overdue, long awaited, and we're just here to celebrate with the construction crew and the officers who came out to see the footers being poured today. So we're very excited and very appreciative of the commission and the community supporting this project.